Today in this video I am going to tell you the process of cancelling a DirecTV subscription, so keep watching this video. Please make sure complete all steps and don't make any mistakes. If you like our video, then hit like button. So friends, let's get started. Before starting video, here are some things you should know. Number 1. Call DirecTV at 866-389-1321 to speak with a customer service representative and cancel your subscription. Number 2. You can only cancel a DirecTV subscription over the phone. Number 3. DirecTV stream subscriptions can be cancelled online, but you will incur cancellation fees just as you would with a traditional subscription. Number 4. Time your cancellation around the end of your billing cycle to avoid paying any additional prorated fees. Here are some steps how you can cancel your DirecTV subscription. Step 1. Call DirecTV customer support. The DirecTV line is 866-389-1321. It is between 8 am and midnight. You do not need to call in order to cancel a stream subscription. Step 2. Navigate through the spoken prompts. Step 3. Indicate that you want to cancel your service. Say cancel service when asked what you want to do or why you're calling. Step 4. Ask to speak to the retention department. You may have to hold 5 to 10 minutes, depending on when you call. Step 5. Explain to the representative that you want to cancel your service, as well as why. Step 6. Firmly refuse any offers or questions. Step 7. Wait for the equipment box to arrive at your house. Once the representative accepts that you want to cancel your service, they will send a prepaid delivery box to your house. You'll need to send back most of the DirecTV equipment that they sent to you via this box. You usually have 21 days to return DirecTV's property. Step 8. Pay the cancellation fee. At minimum, you'll need to pay a $15 cancellation fee. Step 9. Call back DirecTV support to confirm that your contract is up. Once you have sent away the DirecTV equipment and paid your termination fee, call back DirecTV support and ask them if they received the equipment and payment. You may have to do this a few times if they reject your initial payment or send back the equipment. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.